Okay, here we are in Pi. We're waiting for gate 9 to fly to the Dax. Myself, Joe, and myself, we're flying to the Dax. Here we are. Joe Propson, Pete Kelly, and the beautiful Adirondacks. We're here. We got the Key West on. We're about to take a little trip down to Lake Champlain to hammer some nice northern pike and bass. Another shot of the roof over. Just real quick. Lawn needs a mowing. This is our July segment. Pete Kelly's Adirondacks, off-grid Adirondacks. Please like and subscribe. So we're gonna sign out. We'll get with you when we're on the boat. We're gonna have some good fun today. Beautiful Adirondack summer weather. Here we are. It is July 28th. Very, very warm for New York State. Sailboats are out on Champlain. Real nice day. It all looks good. We're gonna pick up and run a couple miles. Let me see, I can't see anything on my graph. Why, I don't know. What's it say? Water temp is saying 84.5, which is as hot as it ever gets up here. So we'll go to some deeper water, start throwing jigs, but we're expecting to have a successful day today. How do you feel? It could be, I don't know. I don't know about 84, but it's warm. Okay, I'm with Joe Propson, the famous plumber of Phillips Plumbing from, where I'm from, Sarasota, Bradenton. He's on the end of the dock waiting for me. And we're just gonna take a run and hopefully we're gonna get into some real nice pike and bass. Joe Propson had to save the day with a
6-inch
smallmouth
smallie
on Lake Champlain on the best bass fishing in the world.
Good bait. To the food chain.
He wanted it. Joe Propson housing him. He's in the 12-inch range here.
Moving up the food chain.
There it is. And he got mine. He got mine by a mile. There's mine.
See if we can sniff another one out of here.
Yeah, you ain't kidding. Sorry guys. Day 2 out on Saranac Lakes with Joe, myself, and it's been a little slow, but we're just coming in. We're starting to really dial them in, so I'll keep you posted. I knew you could do it, Joe. On the Saranac Lakes with a nice little smallmouth. Joe Propson. Just couldn't let him get away. Had to put a little excitement in his life. Of course, it's not one of the 4-pounders, but let me tell you something, man. He really thought that was food. Nice fish, Joe.